Action!
Today we're shooting the commercial for bag-free water filter, and this is our DP, Jamil. Say hi.
Hi.
Our AD,
Hi.
Ivan. Let's do a quick tutorial when you have a jib arm like this, and how do you easily tweak the weight? Simple. Drape a towel over it. Jam, show everybody how you increase the weight to the front. Just move it to the front. Yeah, there you go. And then move it a bit to the back. So if you want it over here, put it at the back. Right, towel really help. What you can do is you can actually add water, and there you go. Small micro tweaks to your jib. So even though you have your polarizer on, it's still good that you have your cutter. That's what it does. It cuts away the light. So you won't get that much of reflection. Reflection only happens when you see the damn sun. I'll see you in the next tutorial on Beyond Photography Show. If you are a filmer and you think that you can just be a director and sit on your chair, nope. You gotta be a really hands-on person. Everybody say hi to the bag-free man. This is George Ng. Oh, this guy is famous in Malaysian commercials. He's gonna play the bag-free man today. Are we rolling audio?
No.
Then why do we on the engine?
Aircon mah for you.